What if I told you that you are just one story away from a completely different life? Let's see if this is that story. Two tiny seeds lay side by side in the fertile spring soil. The first seed sighed with ambition. I want to grow. I want to send my roots deep into the soil beneath me and push my sprout up through the earth's crust above. I want to unfurl my leaves to welcome the sun and see the morning dew on my petals. I want to experience life. And so, gathering all its strength, it pushed and began to grow. The second seed listened and then sighed with worry. I'm afraid, it whispered. If I send my roots downward, I don't know what dark and stony places I'll encounter. If I push my way upward, I might damage my delicate sprout. What if a snail tries to eat me? What if a child steps on me once I break through the ground? No, it is much safer to wait here until all danger has passed. And so it waited. The first seed grew and grew, pushing through the soil into the sunlight, and eventually became a magnificent flower, admired by all who passed by. The second seed remained safe in the darkness, waiting for the perfect, risk-free moment. One day, a chicken was scratching in the garden for food. It found the waiting seed and, in an instant, ate it. This story teaches a fundamental truth about life. We are all given seeds of potential, our ideas, our dreams, and our ambitions. And we are all faced with the same choice. We can choose to grow. This path involves risk. You will encounter unforeseen challenges. You might get hurt. You will face setbacks. But it is the only path that leads to the sunlight. It is the only way to blossom into what you were meant to become. Or we can choose to wait, to stay in our comfort zone where it feels safe. We can wait for the perfect time, for a guarantee of success, for all danger to pass. But there is no true safety in stagnation. The world does not wait for us. The greatest risk in life is not that you will try and fail, but that you will choose to do nothing at all, and be consumed by the very life you were trying to avoid. As you begin this new week, do not be the seed that waits. Choose to grow. Embrace the struggle. Face the uncertainty, and push toward the light. This story was filled with lessons. Which one landed right in your heart? I'll be reading every comment to see which parts connected with you the most.